Today we're unboxing my LOL surprise, but I couldn't find the one that I was trying to find. It's only at the other Target, but this one was the Super Target. And I got this. Let's unbox. This is more harder than I thought, so and I need some help too. Like, I need some help to take this out. Let's open it. It's more harder. A box. A skirt. Wow. I'm gonna open it. This one. Oh, look! There's another skirt. There's two skirts, two different kind of shoes. There's this top.
Manu, just sit next to
And
Ramani so I can be able to see both.
with this. And the next one. It's another top for the inner suit.
Oh,
And now let's see what's. Oh, that's not bad.
Mom?
Yes. We have to put this in the water. We have to put this in the water. Geez, we have to put this in the water. Geez, we have to put this in the water. So we need a big bowl. But that's helping me.
You are so strong, Rami.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna put this inside and see what it does. Ooh, drop it.
Okay. Oh, wow.
This is busy. Look at my hands.
Oh my God.
This is what it looks like, but it's busy. Clean it all off. Clean it off.
Whoa.
I'll break it with the scissors. Look at that. Yeah, break it. Look, it's turning orange.
Yeah. Oh, I see something.
Look at that.
What's it?
Little more. Oh, made a hole. You made a hole. I feel it's. I have a scar.
Oh no. Let me see. Is that hurt?
I need to go wash my. I need to go dry my hands. I'll come right back.
Now keep the flashlight so you can see whatever surprise is in it.
You see something? Mommy, I actually need to wipe my hands.
Oh, it's a thingy inside.
Flip it. There you go.
See that?
Yeah, it's the illusion. See? A shell illusion.
Whoa.
Let's keep putting it in the water.
Yeah. Whoa.
How else?
You okay?
I'm gonna go dry my hands.
Okay.
No, you have to keep getting it off.
No, do it myself, Manu.
What do you think, Manya? Whoa.
Just let it.
I mean, you got a shell.
Yeah, I did. Dad, can you break that big piece off?
No, you don't need to.
Soap.
Whoa. Let's do the big reveal.
Okay, get some,
Who's excited?
Okay,
get
Are you
some paper
excited,
towel.
Daddy?
I don't know, because I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Our table's kind of a little dirty, right?
No, it's not dirty.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
your art. You and Manu. You did some paint and all of this fun stuff.
Yeah. This one's just an extra one, just in case.
Okay, who's excited to see?
Okay, I
What's
think
inside?
this one's for the cat and this one's for the human, maybe. Okay.
A cat
They don't
and a
have
human?
a pet.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Don't break it.
Oh. More bags.
The bags are wet.
Okay. Daddy, can we bring like a paper towel?
Oh wait, we already have one.
Okay. They
Oh,
have
you
some.
don't crumple it up.
What I needed to do mine. I think this is the little. I think this is the human.
Wow, that's so weird.
Let's butter. See the big.
I know.
I think this is the baby. No, I think that's the baby.
Yeah, this is the baby.
That's just a little bit smaller. These are so slippery.
You get it, Daddy? Alright, let's go.
So she has bubble gum. Look at her hair. It's Valentine's. Oh, how do you move her hair?
Let me see her hair, Manu. Oh my gosh, she's a different type of LOL.
Why does she have bubble gum in her hair? Look, that's her little baby sister.
Oh.
Look, she has freckles.
Oh my god, how cute.
I didn't know she had pacifier. Here's her water bottle, but she can't drink since she has this on.
How'd you take it off? Is that all? Because that means you have to dress them up.
Yep, let me dress her up. So, I kind of want to do this one. First let's do this one, then we're going to do the other one. Okay?
Alright.
There we go.
Mommy, keep the head on.
Look. Okay, get that on. And let's see how she looks match. How she looks.
Wow.
Let's put her
Oh,
shoes
don't
on.
forget her shoes.
Yep. Let's see how she matches. Does she look good in this one?
Wow, she looks so pretty.
Oh, her head's a loose. Okay, I guess she's a big girl because look at her head.
Yeah.
Is her head supposed to be like that? How do you put it down?
Okay, let me fix it.
Bottle.
Uh-huh.
It's just, yeah, it's just really cool. Bubble gum right here. Bubble gum.
Wait, Mommy, why don't you put the bubble gum in the water?
I can't. Now let's change her to these clothes. Wait. This is what she looks like when she wears it.
Oh.
So it's gonna be the same thing.
Super cute.
Oh, she actually color changes.
Ooh.
So she's got a color change. So, okay. So now let's take off all of her clothes and see what she looks like in her pink clothes. This is what she looks like in her little swimming clothes. This is actually her swimming clothes, and this is actually her clothes. So I got it. It's my only one. I do not want to show you something not appropriate she's making.
Okay.
She has a t-shirt. This one is a t-shirt, this one's a tank top. This kind of matches, right?
You got it, Manu?
Mommy, I can put it in.
Do you need help?
Mommy, you don't need to take it off.
Her has hide. And this is what she looks like. Oh, where did it go? And ready to see what she looks like in the pink clothes.
Mm-hmm.
This is what she looks like in her pink clothes.
Wow, so see.
Look what she has. See that? What is that called? Because look.
A bloomer?
No. Wait, remember the other baby with the braids like her big sister? She has the snowflake on her underwear. So these must be
Her cousin?
no, these must be the little cutie marks.
Aww.
Put them in.
So sweet.
Now I'm gonna go get my other LOLs.
Is there anything in it?
She's gonna sleep in the shower.
I don't think you can close it.
And then I'll name sister. Just forgot.
Oh, so sweet.
And then after her friend comes with her shoes because she just took a shower, gonna wake up her friend. Sissy. Yes. You know what today is, right? Yes. They are the same.
Oh, you're so
Today you have to take care of your baby. Take care of my what? Take care of your baby. Why? Because you have to. Mommy, can you? Hey, friend. You want to take care of baby with me? Yeah, sure. Just get ready at 5 minutes, okay? Okay. I'll stay with your baby. She's gonna change. She's gonna have her bubble gum. Or maybe this is a lollipop, maybe? Yeah, it's maybe a lollipop, but maybe she's putting a lollipop. Maybe, yeah, this is bubble gum. She loves bubble gum, but first let's put her some water. She has her shoes. She has her shoes. But this is actually no wear shoes in the house. These are sandals. Can't wear sandals. But this is her bath. This is her bath shoes. Bath shoes mean that you can wear them in the house, right? She's actually wearing slippers. Slippers you can wear in the house, right? Slippers are kind of shoes that are fluffy to keep your feet warm. These are her pajamas. And they are going to bed today. Yep, that's true, but I just have to take a shower.
And we say goodnight.
Good night.